Essential home remedy supplies for preppers. Alcohol. Rubbing alcohol on insect bites and adding a diluted mixture of alcohol and water to fungal infections can speed up healing. Baking soda. To treat stomach acidity and heartburn, mix some baking soda in water and drink. Apple cider vinegar. Use a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar to treat sinuses, diarrhea and indigestion. Coconut oil. Acne and skin issues can be treated by rubbing coconut oil on the affected areas. Hydrogen peroxide can be used to treat cuts, burns and small wounds. If you have a toothache, dilute peroxide in water, swirl it around in your mouth for a minute or two and spit it out. Raw honey. Take 2 tablespoons to relieve nausea. Honey can also be applied to wounds to accelerate healing. Peppermint oil is excellent for treating headaches, nausea, etc. Tea tree oil is ideal for treating skin problems, earaches, cold sores, insect bites, head lice, etc. Aloe vera gel soothes sunburn, speeds up wound healing, prevents dandruff and much more. Epsom salt is used to treat toenail fungus and relieve pain and muscle cramps.